Hi, I'm Mazen from Mercedes-Benz Downtown Calgary.
I'm Justin Edgar with Mercedes-Benz Downtown Calgary.
We're here to discuss two of our favorite vehicles in the lineup. My business partner Justin tends to go for the SUVs. I've always been a big fan of the wagons. Behind me is the E400 wagon.
What people don't realize is the E-Wagon and the GLE are both derivatives of the E-Class. And at the end of the day, we're here to debate which one is better suited for our lifestyles. In both cases, you have full rear hatches. The ability with these doors is that you can actually set the height limiters, and that way you don't have to be concerned about the roof that you have in your garage.
So both the GLE and the E-Class wagon share the same amount of cargo capacity, but it's all basically how you use it.
Your turn.
Okay, Justin, I'm gonna unload your GLE without having to do the complicated loading process that you did, and just go ahead and load up my wagon. And it fits. Justin, how many children do you have?
2.
As do I. Do your children have friends?
Yep.
And when you pick them up from school and they're sitting in the back of your GLE, and let's say a couple of friends want to come home, where do you put them?
In the middle in the front seat.
You're going to put children in the front seat? What if
My
your wife's
son
with
sits
you?
in the front seat.
You're a family of 4. Your friend wants to bring his 2 friends home after school. Where do they go? You just call them an Uber?
Nicole stays home.
Oh, okay. Well, in this vehicle, the whole family can enjoy it, because what you have is you have a 3rd row. A little rumble seat. Something you're not going to find in other vehicles. Pretty cool.
My biggest advantage to having a GLE, aside from missing out on the potential chance of having an extra kid that wants to come home with you, is the towing capability. Being in a sport utility, you may want to go camping, you may want to go hauling, you may want to go backcountry driving. You can't really go off-road in a wagon. You can in a GLE. Not that you would, but you could.
The greatest argument I can give to all of that is, why do you really even need to tow anything anyway? If you own a wagon, you're probably just going to stay at a 5-star hotel. You really don't need a camper. Thank you very much.
You might have a boat.